What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to Gadget Beer. Today we have the 3D Templar glass film by Power Support. Now this is the official made for Google Templar glass screen protector. Now I was gonna do the installation video. Now this thing's about 40 bucks, comes out to almost $43. But when I opened it, let's open it here. Let's see if we can get. I noticed that it's basically the same thing you get from Amazon for about $7. I have a video. I have like 2 videos I did already for screen protectors for the Pixel 2 XL, the Wahana one, and then the Gadget Gear. Basically those are the exact same thing with this. We have the black edge border where all the adhesive is, and then you have that dot matrix effect on the middle where there is no adhesive. So this thing right here is $43. The ones on Amazon, well, I'll leave the links below to both of them, are basically the same thing but cost 3 times less. I believe one's like 14 bucks and the other one's like $7. So I do not recommend purchasing the official Power Support tempered glass protector from the Google store. I'm actually gonna return this one. I already went on there and issued a refund, and I explained to them basically why I'm refunding it. So this is just a public announcement. I would not purchase this because it's basically the same thing you get if you buy one of those Amazon screen protector for the Pixel 2 XL for a lot cheaper. Now Whitestone did just release one for the Pixel 2 XL. I know that one's a little bit expensive. It's like 50 bucks. I will be getting one, and I will be doing a video, and I will be giving you a review on that one. So leave a comment below if you have any questions. Please like, subscribe, and share if you haven't. Like always, guys, I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.